In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit listings on eBay. If you've ever felt overwhelmed updating item after item, this walkthrough will show you how to make changes to many listings at once, directly from eBay's Seller Hub. It's simple, fast, and a huge time saver when you need consistent updates across your catalog. Start by logging into eBay and heading to Seller Hub. From there, go to Listings, then Active. This page shows everything you currently have live. You'll see checkboxes next to each listing. Use these to choose the items you want to edit. If you're working on a large group, there's a Select All checkbox above the list that lets you grab many at once. Don't worry if you change your mind. You can deselect any you don't want to include before moving on. Once you've selected your items, click the Edit button above your listings. In the drop-down, you'll see options like Edit Selected or Edit All. Pick the one that matches your selection. This opens the bulk edit interface where you'll make your changes. Inside the editor, choose the field or fields you want to update. Common choices include price, shipping options, category, description, and your business policies. Enter the new values you want applied across your selected listings. This is perfect for things like a price adjustment, a shipping policy update, or a quick description tweak that needs to be consistent. Take a moment to review what you've changed so you know exactly what will be applied. When you're done, scroll down and look for the Submit button. Depending on your view, it may be at the bottom of the editor. Click Submit to apply your changes. eBay will process the update, and you'll get a confirmation when it's complete. A quick heads up on limitations. You can edit many listings at once, but not every field is always available for bulk changes. For example, listing format, like fixed price versus auction, can't be changed once a listing is live. Similarly, certain details such as items with best offer or listings in specific states may not be editable in bulk depending on timing or status. Also, expect bulk limits. Depending on your account and eBay system, there's often a cap on how many listings you can edit at one time, commonly around a couple hundred. If you have thousands of items, work in batches to avoid timeouts or errors. Smaller groups process more reliably and make it easier to spot any issues before they affect your entire inventory. And that's it. With the bulk edit tool, you can keep your listings consistent and up to date without the tedious one-by-one edits.